Alright, so this is airline Argentina. This is Airbus A330. This is A330. Yep, A330 200. Let me zoom in here. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. See? Yeah, that's A330 200. Airline Argentina is a Sky Team member. You see the pilots are in there. Alright. You can see two pilots right now. They're getting ready for this flight. Alright everybody, have a nice day now.